Compact design. The BENFEI DisplayPort to HDMI adapter connects a computer, laptop or devices with DisplayPort to a monitor, projector, TV with HDMI port. Tuck this lightweight gadget into pocket to do a presentation. Extend your desktop to a monitor or TV. Superior stability. Built-in advanced IC chip converts DisplayPort signal to HDMI signal. It is not a bi-directional converter and cannot transmit signals from HDMI to DisplayPort. Incredible performance. This converter supports up to 1920x1080 at 60Hz, 1080p, including 720p, 1600 by 1200, 1280 by 1024 for monitors or projectors. Gold-plated DisplayPort connector resists corrosion and abrasion and improve the signal transmission performance. Latches design. DisplayPort connector with latches provides a secure connection. The latches will improve the connection stability in usage. When plug out, please press the realse button, and easy to pull out. 18-month warranty. Exclusive BENFEI unconditional 18-month warranty ensures long-time protection of your purchase. Friendly and easy to reach customer service to solve your problems timely. Top reviews from the United States. Secure attachments and good picture. Easy to install in the tower and attach to the HDMI cables. Like how the connections are secured by a tab, clip. So a simple push against one side will allow for secure connections and disconnections. Don't need to worry about the wire bending too much as there is enough length from the connection port to not hurt the tower's port. Well worth the money and time to wait and use for a big project or something else that could be easily accomplished with multiple monitors.